I'm going to show you how to create your own smart business card for under $1. Let's get straight into it. Now, why would I need a business card that is a smart business card? Nowadays, people are using what is called NFC technology. You don't need to know a whole lot about it other than it's the same technology that you use on your phone. Say you forgot your credit card at home and you want to use your Apple Wallet, or you want to use a wallet that's on your phone. You just simply put your phone up to the cash register, or where you would normally put your credit card, and it reads because you have NFC technology enabled on your phone. Well, businesses are utilizing and using this technology to be able to share their information via a smart business card to other people's phones. All they have to do is grab their phone that is enabled with NFC and simply tap it on the business card, and a link will pop up. So many people are losing potential customers simply because you don't either have a business card on you, or somebody's going to lose that business card. This is an awesome way to make an impression on a potential customer, and they don't have to lose your information anymore. I'm going to show you how in this short video. And again, this is going to cost you under $1. You're going to need a website. That could be YouTube, that could be Instagram, it could be a link tree. I personally have a favorite, it's almost like a link tree website that I like to use. I'm going to link it down below in the description. It's called beacons.ai. And if you use my code below or my link down below, you'll be able to get, I think it's 30% off of an annual subscription. It brings it down to $7 a month. I like it a little bit more than Linktree because it can have all of your links for Instagram, YouTube, and you could actually time certain pictures to show up at certain times. It brings in your YouTube information automatically. If you post a new video, it will automatically feed to this link. So this is a great subscription platform. Again, it ends up being only about $7 a month if you use my link below, and you're going to love it. So you're going to need a website. Second, you're going to need to download Canva to an app on your phone, or the Canva app on your phone. I will give you the walkthrough on how to use that. You're also going to need an app called NFC Tools. This will help you to write your NFC tags. Again, if you feel like I am not tech savvy, this stuff is confusing already, don't worry. I'm going to show you everything step by step. You're also going to need a QR code, which I'm going to show you how to create that. And finally, you're going to need the NFC tags themselves. And the application that I'm actually going to use this with is in a keychain. So if you don't want to do that, you could also just purchase these NFC digital business cards. Again, I'll show you how to do either of them, but the application that I use this for is, and mine is a lot banged up because I drop mine all the time. I don't know if you can see it. I'll add a picture or a video of that later. Our church actually uses it as a keychain. So if somebody says, oh, what church do you go to? I can actually take out my keys and they can tap their phone on this keychain, and it will bring up our address, our service times. It will bring up our phone number, how you can connect with us, our Instagram, and it'll actually show them the latest service on YouTube that's fed there automatically. It's almost like set it and forget it. It is so helpful for churches, and I can imagine that this would be helpful for you if you are a influencer, or if you have a business that you are uploading videos to YouTube. Again, you can also share a contact card on this so that people can easily save your contact information into their phone automatically. It also gives them an opportunity to share their email address with you, which goes into a database and makes it easy for you as the business owner to gather potential customers' phone numbers and names and email addresses and addresses, and send them information automatically. So now for what you might think is the harder part, but it's actually not hard at all. You want to go to beacons.ai. Again, you can use my link down below to get a percentage off, and you can create your page. You want to add your Instagram, your YouTube, your website, your contact card, I will show you in another video how to create that digital contact card. It is so easy, and you can utilize it for several different applications again. So you want to create that. Next, you want to go into a QR code generator. Again, I will share below in the description the one that I use, just so that it's easier for you. You're going to post your link into that QR code generator and save the QR code. You'll see the reason for the QR code is because sometimes people either they don't have NFC technology on their phone because they have a really old one, or they don't have it enabled because they're concerned, they have security concerns. And you don't want to lose a potential customer. So that's why we create the QR code in case we have somebody who, let's see if we can get that, somebody who does not have NFC enabled on their phone, or maybe they forgot their phone, or well, actually that won't work. No. Maybe they don't have NFC technology on their phone, but they do have a camera and they should be able to get this QR code on their camera and all of that. So go ahead and put your website into that QR code generator. Save that QR code as a PNG. This is going to be helpful for you. Next, you're going to go to Canva. I have shared the template below, the exact size for this keychain application. Go ahead and put your logo on there, put the name of your business, and you're going to want to add your QR code again, and you're going to save that. So go ahead and save it. Whatever color you want to make it, you can be as creative with this as you want, or you can be as plain with it as you want. You want to be able to catch people's eye, and you want people to wonder, what is that on your keychain? Now what you're going to do is you're going to create a new document in Canva. The size is going to be A4, so it's going to give you an option, and you're going to create a new document, A4, and you're going to bring in that previous document that you just made. Leave it the size that it is. Do not correct the size. And now line them up one after the other, after the other, after the other. This is going to be what you're going to put inside of your keychain. And I have a sheet here. Hopefully you can see it. All I'm going to do is cut these to size. If you have a paper cutter, it makes it super easy. Now what you can do is get out your NFC tags. I'm going to link this in the description below. This is an NFC tag. You could see how thin it is. So you can use this so many different ways. It's a sticker. So you can use it in so many different places to do so many different things. This is just, again, one application. So you get this sticker out, and I'm going to show you how you can program this sticker. So you're going to open your NFC Tools app that you downloaded onto your phone. Again, that's going to be linked below in the description. Click on Write. And once you hit Write, you're going to add your Beacons website right on here. So if it's beacons.ai/ I think mine is beacons.ai/central family. Add that into there, and now you're going to hit save, or you're going to, hit Write NFC tag, get the tag close to your phone, and there you go. It is really that simple. And now anybody who has NFC enabled on their phone, they can put it next to your tag and it will bring up your website. Super simple. Now what I do is I cut one of these, well, I cut two of these out, cut them to size. I open up my little keychain. I put the one piece of paper in. I put the sticker on the piece of paper, and then I sandwich the other piece of paper in, close it up, and then I have my tap-enabled keychain for my business. It cost me, I think it was 67 cents. You can hand these out as Christmas gifts to your customers so that they're always carrying your business with them. You could do loads of things. Now, if you don't want to do the keychain, that's completely up to you. I don't always carry something, I don't have my business card with me at all times. I always have my keys. But if you want to just do the smart business card, all you do is, again, go to your NFC tool, open that up, click right, add in your Beacon's website, then bring your card close to your phone. It's going to notice, it's going to say approach tag. You're going to put this close to your phone. It's going to write it. And now this is readable to anybody who you put it near their phone that is NFC enabled. Another idea for how to personalize this one, you might not want to use paper, but you could use a waterproof sticker, or if you have a Cricut or somebody who has a Cricut, you can ask them to overlay this with your own personal information. Again, check those links below. My link can get you a discount, and also I think that I get like a percentage back or something like that. So again, thank you so much for joining us for your word on the way. This was the business edition.